back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this 1987 Honda TRX 250. Pretty rough shape. Paid $100 for it. Don't know if it's going to start. Doesn't have a gas tank. Battery's toast. Yeah, I don't really know much about it. The guy said it was sitting about 10 years. I haven't torn into it at all. I just picked it up the other day. So we're gonna do some simple tests here, check for spark, put a gas tank on it, see if it'll get fuel, and we're gonna try and start it. The throttle's free, that's good. Looks like the ignition's all messed up, but oh yeah, we'll figure that out. Yep. We got this gas tank off of an old, I think RM250. We're gonna try that. It's a lot cleaner. I know there's no rust inside. Alright, so we got gas running to the carb. It's got spark. I'm gonna try and kick it over, see what happens. Ooh. Right when I want to give it throttle, it's wanting to die. Let's see if I can turn the idle up a little. All right, let's try that. Wow. So it idles really nicely. So that jet isn't clogged, but I think right when I give it gas, it's probably gonna die. Yep. Yep, so one of the passageways in the jet is probably clogged. Something in the carburetor, not allowing fuel to flow once you start opening it up. So probably pull that next, clean it out, see what's happening. Yeah, that's pretty filthy. Alright, so I've only got a little bit of this carb cleaner left. So I'm hoping it can clean this out enough. Guess we'll find out. Alright, so we got the carb back in. I'm gonna hook up the gas and try this again. So that seems to fix the problem. Purring like a kitten now. Alright, so I'm gonna strap the tank to the front rack and I'm gonna see if we can ride this thing. I'm gonna turn on the GoPro now. We'll see you there. I've got the gas tank rigged on here, temporary. Seat backwards to give me something to sit on. I better check oil. Well, there's something on the dipstick, so just for this test drive, I'm going to call that good. So we can make sure this thing actually runs and drives. Alright. Let's see what happens here. There you go. Alright. No clutch. Let's have to shift regular. Wow. Surprised this thing's going. Yep, just what I thought. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. Turn off the fuel. Looks like it's just puking out from the bottom of the carb. It was, but that wasn't very cool. Gas on a hot engine, that could have ended a lot worse. But at least we know it runs. I'm gonna fix that. Probably just the float valves needs more work. Looks like it's not sealing up, but we'll get that fixed. And then if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and see what I do with this thing in the next video. Thanks.